Am I coming in clear? I said, am I coming in clear? I'm going to be trying out Olaplex to see if it's going to revive my hair back from the dead. You may or may not know, I have fallen victim to heat damage. Ooh. Although generally speaking, my hair looks pretty healthy, but some areas in the front and some areas in the back, it's giving very limp. It's giving very stretched out curls, and I don't like that. So we're gonna try Olaplex to see if it's going to revive my hair from the inside so I can have luxurious, healthy strands. I want my hair to be bouncy again. Like, my hair doesn't bounce anymore. Like, it's flat. I want bounce. I want that tin can to bounce that ass.
Bounce that ass?
Well, the roots bounce back because, I mean, the roots has never had any type of heat to it. And so, yeah, the roots are very kinky. She is kinky, Nefertiti, pink bikini, whatever Beyonce be saying. So yeah, my edges, my nape, my roots, it's definitely giving very much kinky. So when you guys tell me I am not type 4 hair, I have to say, y'all crazy. Y'all don't know what y'all talking about. I'm like, duh, of course they don't think I'm type 4. The ends of my hair is definitely confusing you. One, my hair is long. So when the hair is long, it stretches out anyways. It's kind of heavy. And then also the front of my hair, it's very it's definitely been altered by heat. So when you guys tell me that I'm not type 4, I mean, I can understand it because what y'all see is not what I know. So I have the number 0, I have the number 3, I also have 4 and the 5. So Olaplex is running a sale if it's not already over, but it was like 35% off for the kit. I'm just like, I might as well get the kit because when I went to Ulta, I paid less for the kit than the 2 items that I got from Ulta. Those items are in my car waiting to be returned back to Ulta. Yeah, we're gonna try it out today and see what it do. I've had these twists in my hair for 3 weeks now. I think it's going on 3 weeks. I don't know, I'll put the actual time frame here. But there's a reason why I am not a fan of twists. The reason why I like twists is because it's so much faster to put in, but when it comes to taking down, especially if I wet it, oh, we're talking tangles, not locks. But I haven't washed my hair since I had these twists in because I'm just like, I'm not trying to go through that. I just needed my hair done, something fast. Okay, well, you guys don't want to hear me talk. Y'all just want to see the business. So I'm gonna take these twists down. I'm gonna give y'all just a little look at my twists. I have no idea how long that took, but I think I watched like an episode and a half Gossip Girl. The OG, by the way. We don't do that new Gossip Girl mess, nah. When it comes to Gigi, we all about the OG. Yeah. Anyway, so I have here, the Olaplex. How am I supposed to open this? Ha! There's a tab at the bottom. All you have to do is just pull it. Okay, so it says to apply slowly to dry hair, distributing evenly from root to tip. Hair should be damp but not drenched. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Apply the number 3 hair perfector over the number 0, combing through as needed. Let process for a minimum of 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition. Okay, it doesn't say to shake. There's no other instructions. With stuff like this, I like to use gloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. I've seen people with my hair texture wash their hair first, and I think it's because they had like matte products on it. I only have a spray leave-in conditioner, so it's not a lot of products. So I'm just gonna follow the directions of the number 0. Okay, so it says hair should be damp but not drenched. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, maybe I should get a towel. Definitely needing this towel. Okay, so how do you apply something slowly? I don't get it. I really don't get it.
As I mentioned before, I have heat damage, and when it comes to heat damage, the reason why it's so limp and why, the curl pattern changes is because the disulfide bonds have been damaged by using heat incorrectly. Disulfide bonds are important in maintaining the hair's strength and elasticity, and bond builders like Olaplex work by targeting and repairing the disulfide bonds because they contain ingredients that really penetrate the hair shaft to reconnect the broken disulfide bonds.
Okay, well, that was easy enough. Yeah, I think this was definitely a smart idea to separate my hair in twists because the roots of my hair are so thick. Like, I can literally see the difference in texture just looking at the density.
Olaplex uses their patented ingredients, bis amino. You know what? I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I'm gonna sound like I'm doing witchcraft. Yeah, they use their ingredients to repair the bonds from within.
To be honest, I don't know how much to apply. Like it says to dampen it, not to drench it. Okay, well I think that should be enough. Oh yeah, oh wow. Okay. No, because it's definitely like, I'm gonna twist it loose, very loose. This right here is a good example of how my hair looks when it's wet. So let me smooth the product in and I'll show you guys a little up close. This is not my natural texture. As you can see, it's very loose. And I want this to curl up some more. Very straight at the ends. So yeah, hopefully this is going to give my hair a little bit more bounce.
Disulfide bonds in hair can be damaged through various processes and environmental factors. We're talking chemical treatments like relaxing, coloring, bleaching, heat styling with blow dryers, flat irons, environmental factors like sun exposure, mechanical damage like tugging and pulling. So I suppose we could all benefit from a bond builder at least once or twice. I have always been wanting to try Olaplex, just to try it. I didn't even know about the lawsuit until I actually used this stuff. The thing is, Olaplex is a bond builder, so it's basically a deep protein treatment. My hair has always been pretty healthy for the most part, so to try a bond builder instead of a regular protein treatment, it could potentially have a adverse effect. So that's why a lot of people have been using these bond builders, especially those of us who've been using them excessively. Yeah, they're experiencing breakage. So most of the time, we just need a regular protein treatment unless the hair is definitely damaged by heat, color, chemicals, etc.
Okay, so I have finished more than half of the bottle. And I think it's because I sprayed absolutely too much. Yeah, I sprayed too much. But I don't know, did I spray too much? I don't know. Just you guys can see the difference, the mark of demarcation from where my roots are growing out and where the rest of my hair is kind of damaged from where there is heat, whatever the case may be. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. I use more than half of the bottle. This stuff is expensive and it's only a little bit in here. Oh my gosh. If I use this again, hopefully it works, but if I do use it again, then I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna use it once a month. We'll try that once a month. Oh, we'll let that sit.
I'm just super excited to see my curls bounce back because as you can see, them ends, baby girl, look at them curls. They look so good.
Okay, start with the back while this sits. I know I've been doing this for more than 10 minutes. Yo, am I supposed to cover this and let this sit? I think I am. You know what? I'm not. Because it doesn't say to cover it. I don't know. What should I do, y'all? I'm not going to cover it. But I am going to go ahead and prep this number 3.
Their products go in chronological order, so for steps and usage, you could just basically start from 0 and then work your way up.
It doesn't say how much to use. It just says to apply on damp towel dry hair, apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Okay, so it has to be saturated. All right, I feel like I'm going to use this whole thing. Oh, well maybe not. It has a light smell, it has a light scent. I don't know what that is. It reminds me of something, I just can't put my finger on it. If you have a lot of hair, expect to get maybe 2 uses, max. Okay, all right, so it's giving a little bit more texture, a little bit more curls. Okay, I guess it is kind of working. Oh wow, I haven't seen this much curls and texture in this section of my hair in a while. Wow, I had no idea. I took my gloves off and I wanted to twist this up. This is the perfect time to see how it feels on my hair. I thought with this type of treatment, my hair would feel hard, but it doesn't feel hard. I can feel that it's actually strengthening my hair. And it could be because it's still, a little wet. But yeah, okay. I really hope this works because I spent my money on this. Oh wait, no. You know what? Bonding treatment is a type of protein. Typically with protein, at least my hair feeling a little strong or hard. And it feels nice. It feels fluffy. My hair feels fluffy, if that makes sense. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let it do its thing. Let it do what it needs to do. My twists are coming out. I'm gonna let this sit. It says to let it sit for 10 minutes. If it needs a longer time for more damaged hair, then it should sit for longer. But we gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
After letting it sit for 10 minutes, I rinsed it out to prepare for the shampoo. I think this is the perfect size shampoo bottle for people with textured hair because, like, I swear my shampoo will be lasting me 2 years. But that conditioner, baby, I stay restocking. I did like the shampoo. It got my hair super clean and it was definitely not drying. Per usual, y'all know the drill. I am washing my hair in the twist, focusing on my scalp. So yeah, I am focusing on my scalp because y'all know I have not washed my hair for like 3 weeks. So she's definitely needing some TLC, some tender loving cleansing. I must say, this shampoo is heavily concentrated. A little goes a long way, same with the conditioner, and I was super shocked that I didn't have to use a lot. Y'all, my hair feels so soft as I ran my fingers through. It was on a whole nother level of soft, which makes sense because it does have silicones and my hair loves silicones. It said to leave it on for 3 minutes. I did 30. Hear me out. It's cold as hell recording in the shower. Make sure y'all say something nice to y'all content creators, okay? Whew, it was rough. With the order, I got a sample of number 6 for the Free, and this is my leave-in for the day. I know what y'all thinking, it's tiny as hell. Is this for a baby's head? That's the same thing I thought. I ended up not even using the entire thing. Like, the trick is to work the product in, not just to apply it. Also, y'all, we don't need a lot of products on our hair anyways. The hair only absorbs but so much of it, depending on the, porosity. I have medium porosity and I have fine strands, so I don't need a lot as long as I'm like really working it in and my hair is wet. And don't come for me. I know I said twist ain't it for me, and I really should, put these plaits back in my head. But because I was going to Jamaica in a couple weeks, I knew I wanted to wear my twists for the trip. And so it just wasn't any point in doing my plait. I'm showing you how my curls look because I do plan on using Olaplex every month for like a year, and I'll come back and show you the outcome. So far, I loved how defined my hair looks and how soft my hair feels.